Hello, welcome to Clear Technologies. I hope you have seen our previous post or a video regarding the MuleSoft, a new real-time project course. I hope you got the course content also. I'll walk you through in this video like how you can register for this course and how you can enroll and get the access to this course. Okay, so let me just log out from here. So this video will help you to get a complete idea about what is the course content and how can you get access to the videos and how you can do the learning and all. Okay, so initially what you will do, just type claptechnologies.com in your browser, and this is a new account because I didn't log in with any account here. So once you click on cloudtechnologies.com and click enter, you will get our website here like this. And if you can scroll down, you will find this course here, MuleSoft Fundamentals Cookbook and real-time project scenarios. So as we have given the introduction to this course earlier, it is a completely real-time project based scenarios, and we have lot of videos here. I will show you course content also in this ones. Before that, how to get this access, just click on add to cart, then it will give you this login page for you. If you already registered with us, and if you have already enrolled any other courses of our free courses, you will log in directly here by using your email address and password. If you're the visiting our website for the first time to enroll this particular MuleSoft Fundamentals end-to-end project real-time project course, you have to first register here by using this. So click on register now. Now fill in these details. Okay, fill all the details here, email, username, and these all details are the mandatory things. And you can give your password confirmation, same password you have to give. You have to provide your email and username. Okay, you need to fill all these details. So as this is the test I am going to show you, I am just giving my MuleSoft practice as my name, but you have to give your own name. Okay, and username my practice I am giving here, but you have to provide your original name because for as part of billing purpose we need to have this original name to give you the course access. So as this is the demo, I am giving the random default names. Okay, so I am giving email address like okay, I have an email address which is test email address. So this is my valid Gmail. Okay, you need to give your own valid Gmail ID here, and you can give any password. You need to remember this password and username. Okay, in order to log in. Okay, you need to click on register. Then you will be registered as a student with us. So now you will see the your username is populated here, and you have seen this name, your name here. If you have given your valid name, you will get this valid name here. Okay, now come down. Now click to add on cart. I mean add to cart. Yeah, now this course is added to you. Okay, you need to click on proceed to checkout, and you have to fill these billing details. This is for our tracking purpose and to provide the access for you. So please provide your valid details. So as this is the test, I am giving my MuleSoft, I mean same name you can give, because by using this name, by using this transaction order ID only, we are going to provide access to you. So please provide your valid details, original details here. Okay, I mean correct details here. Okay, so yeah, company name is optional, you don't need to give anything. Region by default it is India. If you are from any other country, you need to select your country. And street address, this address we no need the complete address here. You can give any normal address. If you don't want to reveal your complete address, that's okay, you can just fill your city name. Okay, that would be fine. Only thing is the name you need to the name you need to be same name which you have used as a student registration. And country, street address you can give just your city name, that would be fine. Okay, and pin code also you can give any other valid pin code. Pin code has valid check. Okay, So phone number, you can provide your phone number. I'm giving test number here. If you want to get access to our course, and if you want to do any further communication related to this course, like your doubts and all, you can just give your valid number. Okay, just now you can just come down and click on if you want to get your ads, you can just get our ads, you can just click this checkbox. Otherwise, just you can ignore it. No need. Okay, now just come down, sorry, just scroll it up, just click on complete payment. So once you click on complete payment, our bank details, like our tutor bank details, is displayed for you here. So this is your order number 1562. You need to remember this order number, and just remember this, and you need to send a screenshot for us once you are done with the payment. So here is the bank details of our tutor, Mulesoft tutor. We are actually providing direct bank details of the tutor. So you need to just note this down, bank details. You can do the Google Pay also by using direct bank transfer. We have an option in Google Pay by using direct bank transfer, where you can give the bank details directly and you can transfer it, or else you can just add these bank details to your net banking, and once it is activated, you can do the payment. So once you are done with the payment, please drop a screenshot, just take a screenshot of your payment, and send to our email id clarktechnologies@gmail.com. Okay, and just please mention your order id also. Here is your order number, right? So you need to mention your order number and the payment screenshot. Just mention these two details, and your student name also, that would be fine. Your student, your name, your order number, and your screenshot of your payment. You need to just drop a mail to clarktechnologies@gmail.com. So once we check with our tutor, once the tutor receives your payment, then we will give you the access immediately to your course. So as of now, till the payment is done, until the confirmation is done from the tutor end, you won't see any enrolled courses here. So let me just approve this payment from my end. Okay, then once I approve it, you will get the access. So I will pause the video. Once I approve the payment, then I will show you how you can access the course. So once we approve the payment here, okay, once we receive the payment, we approve the access for you, then you will see enrolled courses here. So now come down, click on this course. Now you will be accessible, this course will be accessible to you with all the 78 lessons. So here you can download the course content here also, and we have published our course content in our blog post also. You can get it from anywhere. Okay, here is the fundamentals course content, which is the complete course content of this end-to-end real-time project course. And you will find a couple of sessions here. So we have completely eight sessions, and inside we have extra 3 sessions. Okay, so you have a lot of videos here. You have overall 78 lessons here. Okay, and if you don't see the timeline here, you can just ignore it. You can just click on that video, then it will display the time for you here. So don't assume that if that there is no timeline, if this is some kind of bug with this plugin which we are going to we will try to fix this as also from our end. So but before that, what you can do, you can just click on any video which you want. Okay, so if you want this video, you can learn any video from anywhere. Like you can access this course by using your mobile, tablet, or your laptop, anything. Okay, so once you want to learn any particular topic, API manager
Directly navigate
that
to
will
the
be applicable to your you can directly navigate to that video, and you can just use this play button to learn that course. Okay, and you will find any text files if you have. So this is completely 22 hours duration course, okay, which we have released yesterday only. Okay, So you can just come down, but at the end of the course you can just provide the review from your end if you like the course, or if you want more improvement in this course, anything, any review is acceptable actually. Okay, we are waiting for your feedback. So based on that we can improve our course content, or we can improve our delivery of the course. Okay, so finally you will learn these are the major topics. You can see all these one by one so that you will get understand. And if you have any text files, I mean if the text files anything needed to do this, we have attached here. Let me show you one video. So this is the secure properties encryption. So for this we have one text file to follow. You can just go to this exercise files, and here this is a text file. You can just download it directly. Okay, so you can directly download this text file, because we are going to discuss the text file in this particular video. So all the videos does not contain text files. If we mention anything like we are going to provide a text file the details, you can find it in the exercise file section. So once you are in this page, you can just click on the start learning, then you will go enter into this page. Here you will see all the topics, all the lessons one by one. You can complete it one by one. Okay, you can just complete all the lessons one by one. We have 78 lessons and 22 hours of overall learning. Okay, I hope you have understood, like if you are a new student, maybe few members don't have idea about how to register, how to get the course. So that's why we have created this video separately. If you are aware of all these things, you can just ignore it, no problem. Okay, so thank you for your patience, and thanks for enrolling our course. We will get in touch with you. And once you complete the course, if you have any doubts, just drop a mail to us, and or we have a telegram channel created for this exclusively for this course discussion, or any other MuleSoft SAP discussions. Basically we are providing SAP and MuleSoft trainings, as you are all aware of it. So if you have any queries about these courses, anything, you can just ping in that telegram channel, and our trainers will get back to you in that channel. That will be easy way of doubt discussion. Or if you have any specific doubt, you can just note down all the doubts, and at the end of the course you can just drop a mail to us. We will try to get tutor availability, and we will set up a one particular one-to-one session to clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for your patience. Please try to enroll this course. Try to share the course if anyone is needed, anyone is looking for it. Because at the end of this course, everyone will be handle projects, MuleSoft projects by their own. Because we have explained everything step by step. So if you have completed this course, anyone will handle the projects by their own. At least up to 60 to 70% of projects they can handle by their own. I cannot say 100%, because these are all the 80% of the topics which we have discussed. We have a lot of advanced topics, and every integration project has its own integration. So we cannot say 100% you can handle, but up to 70% you can handle the projects by your own, with minimal guidance of your seniors, or your managers, or somewhere. We are going to release advanced course also soon. So with that you can get complete idea about complete accessible of your project. Okay, so if you are a fresher or a non-IT background student, which are non-IT background experienced professional, where you are going to move to IT, this course is specifically designed for you all. So any BTech students, MCS students, or any IT students, any non-IT professionals who are planning to move to IT sector by learning this cloud technology, course is completely dedicated to you. So this will be very useful course for you. I hope you get this. By seeing the course content you will get the complete idea. And thanks for watching this video. Please try to register and share this course. Thank you. Happy learning, and all the very best for your career.